Hey guys, I'm gonna show you how to turn on lockdown mode on Chrome using your mobile. So to start, open Chrome app. Then at the bottom right, click the three dots. Now at the top, swipe it to the left side and look for settings. Open settings.
Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And if you're new, special welcome to you. You see, guys, my team and I have been working every single day to make videos just like this one for you guys. And for those of you who are subscribed, I just want to say special thank you. And I really appreciate the support from you guys. And if you're not yet subscribed, I would really appreciate if you hit that subscribe button. And if you find this video useful, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. That's going to give this video a like and it gives a signal to YouTube that this video was helpful. Thank you guys for that. I am so sorry to interrupt your video, but I'd really appreciate this tiny but massive support. Thank you guys.
And from here, scroll down and go to privacy and security. Then in here, scroll down and go to lockdown mode. So you should see lockdown mode at the bottom. Open it and toggle it on, just like so. So if you turn this on, it enables extreme optional protection for your browser. It should only be used if you believe you may be targeted by a highly sophisticated cyber attack. So this is different from iOS lockdown mode. So in Chrome, it's more like strict browsing protection or extra strict browsing protection. So it blocks risky or unsafe websites more aggressively. It limits certain web features that can be used for attacks, and it adds stronger warnings before loading suspicious pages. Now, a quick advice if you just want better everyday security, turning this on is a good move, no downside for most users. But if your browsing suddenly feels restricted, like some sites not loading properly, you can always turn it off again. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching.